play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached.
Привет, друзья, привет! У нас футбольный клуб, присоединяйтесь. Мы играем в основном футбол, тренируемся, развиваем свои физические качества. Присоединяйтесь, работаем.
Всем привет, меня зовут Салима, я являюсь лидером клуба AUCATV. AUCATV занимается съемкой видео, и мы ждем всех ребят, которые любят снимать видео, монтировать, писать сценарии или хотят попробовать себя в роли репортера.
This is our sociological club Awake. We're gonna learn a lot of interesting things through the sociological perspectives. We discover, observe everything from the interesting points of the theory, and we also analyze from the sociological constructed things. So for example, we conducted a lot of workshops that was about the dance, taste, perfume, film, and the last year we also conducted the workshop which was about the Squid Game. Yeah, we found out a lot of hidden messages and concepts, and our upcoming workshop is about the Marvel and inclusivity. Yeah, we're gonna have fun.